Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off navigation gesture vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. Here I am using navigation gesture. Okay, for going home, but home just I go to swipe up here. When I swipe up or when I go back, for example, for going back I go to swipe here. Okay, there will be some vibration experience by my finger. Okay, you will experience one vibration while swiping. That is navigation gesture swiping. If you want to turn off that vibration, yes, you can do it. Just go to the settings of your phone here and go to sounds and vibration, then go to system sound and vibration control, and under vibration just turn off navigation gestures. Now you will not get any vibration while you navigate through gestures of your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. For example, here I go back and there is no vibration. So in this way you can easily control navigation gesture vibration on your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.